In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to find the difference in time. Okay? This is normally with two or more different times that you have. You're trying to find the time that is actually in between. Now, because time is a different counting system than what we're familiar with, you're dealing with 12 hours at a time or 60 minutes or 60 seconds at a time. The rules don't apply with the traditional subtracting methods that we're used to. So you have to either think your way through it or come up with a different strategy. So I'm going to show you a different strategy using a timeline where it's easy to keep track of your thoughts. And with these questions, you have to keep track of two numbers at the same time to get to the conclusion. So I find this a very, very useful way to find the solution. Okay. So let's start. Because we're dealing with time and time loops around day after day, you can actually start with either one of these numbers. We have 7:45 a.m. or 9:30 p.m. I'm going to start with 7:45 a.m. and work up. Okay, but you could start with 9:30 p.m. and work down. You'll get the same answer. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with 7:45 down here and start at 0. And I'm going to keep frog hopping all the way up until I get to 9:30 p.m. And then I'm going to add all my frog hops together. Okay, so 7:45 a.m. I'm going to jump 5 because I know that's going to round up to 12. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 hours there. And then we're going to have 12. Actually, this is a.m. 12:45 is what we have now, and that's p.m. Remember, as soon as you hit the 12, it switches from a.m. to p.m. Okay, and now I'm going to jump probably 8, because then I'm not going to go over 8 hours, and I'm going to be at 8:45 p.m. And I'm very close, and I can tell that it's only 45 minutes away. So I'm going to jump another 45 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to be at my time at 9:30 p.m. Excellent. So now all I have to do is add all my hops together. So we have 5 hours plus 8 hours plus 45 minutes. And I'm going to keep this in minutes just because I don't have a need to convert it into a decimal. So we have 5 plus 8, which is 13 hours and 45 minutes. And we just solved our question. So that is how to find the difference in time using a number line.